Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, so today we are going to do a numerical based on diffraction grating, and we are going to find out the angular separation between two closely spaced wavelengths. Here is the problem. Light is incident on a grating of 0.5 centimeter width with 3000 lines. Find the angular separation in the second order of the two sodium lines 5890 angstroms and 5896 angstroms. So how we are going to solve this? Prior to this, let us first of all understand this with the help of a figure. Consider this figure. So this is one wavelength 5890 which will be diffracted less, and there is another wavelength in the sodium light that is 5896. Of course, it is not red and blue. Both of them are yellow. This is only a representative diagram. And each one of them are going to have their maximas placed at different angles over here, theta and theta plus delta theta. Imagine a lens placed out over here. This is basically this, everything is getting focused at these particular points out over here. So we wish to find out what is the angular separation delta theta, is d theta, between the two wavelengths of the sodium lines. First, we start with, there are two parts to this particular problem. We need to find out A plus B, which is the grating element. And in order to find out the grating element, you know that the total number of lines per centimeter n is actually equal to 1 upon A plus B. Now n we have been given that this is 0.5 centimeter width with 3000 lines. But what we want is total number of lines per centimeter. So this means the total number of lines per centimeter will be n will actually be equal to 3000 divided by 0.5, which is actually equal to 6000. So many lines per centimeter. I take the inverse of this now to find out your grating element. Your A plus B is equal to 1 upon 6000. So many lines per centimeter. And this works out to 1.667 into 10 raised to minus 4 so many centimeters. And now we can proceed to the second part of the problem. So now comes the second part of the problem. In that, we have to find out what is the diffraction angle for one of the wavelengths, that is 5890. We use the grating equation A plus B into sine of theta 1 is equal to n into lambda 1, wherein lambda 1 is 5890 and theta 1 is the corresponding diffraction angle, and theta 1 is the corresponding diffraction angle for the wavelength lambda 1, and n is nothing but the order. The order is 2. We know the value for A plus B, we know the value for lambda 1, and hence we can find out the corresponding diffraction angle theta 1 for the wavelength 5890 angstroms. So your theta 1 is going to be equal to sine inverse of 2 into lambda 1, which is 5890 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeters, and that divided by A plus B, which is 1.667 into 10 raised to minus 4 centimeters. And I take the sine inverse of that. This value turns out to theta 1 is equal to 44 degrees, 57 minutes and 49 seconds. Now we come to the next part of B, and that is finding out the diffraction angle for the second wavelength, that is 5896. We proceed in a similar way and we find out the angle theta 2 as It works out to 45 degrees, 1 minute and approximately 20 seconds. Now what I want is, in order to find out the angular separation, this angular separation is nothing but theta 2 minus theta 1. This works out to 3 minutes. It works out to 3 minutes and 31 seconds. So this gives you the angular separation between the two wavelengths 5890 and 5896 of the sodium lines. Sincere thanks students for watching this particular video. Stay tuned to eKida and do subscribe to eKida. Thanks a lot.